Okay, tech wizards, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix this access denied where you're trying to view the data on your Android folder in your Android phone and it's saying access denied. I'll be showing you two methods on how to fix this. Don't forget to watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe if this works for you. Thank you. Okay, so for the first method, as you can see, it's showing access denied. This is what you should do. Head over to your settings app. Head over to your settings app and look for apps. It varies in different phones. Just make sure you get to the app management settings. Get to this app management settings where you can see the list of all your files and apps and search for this files. You can see it's files. This file up here is the original file owned by the Android, but there is no app for it. So there is no app physically on the phone, but it's still on settings. And we are going to click on the files. It will open, and then look at this three dotted line up. There's a three dotted line showing up. Click on the three dotted line and click on install updates. It's showing that the files will be deleted. As you can see, it's showing that the files will be deleted. Ignore the message, it's not going to delete any files. And click OK. So when you're done uninstalling the files, it's going to restore you to the factory setting. Go back to your Android data, click on the data, and then you see save access denied, but it's showing that the file can be viewed in the Google's Files app. So when you click view and then go to Android, and click view and go to Android and go to data, you can see that all the Android data is there. But if this first method does not work for you, you're in the right place. Okay, for the second method, as I said, if this thing did not work for you, it's still showing access denied or it's showing no files, this is what you should do. Head over to your Play Store. Head over to your Play Store, as you can see, and download this file, Files by Mac. Search Files Mac. As you can see, this Files Mac, and you see this app here, right here. See Files Mac app and software. This is the app you should install. This app is the same app with the Android app I just showed you. It's almost like the same. Click on install. I'll wait for it to install. So as you're waiting for it to install, you can use this opportunity to like and subscribe to my channel because this method will definitely work for you. And it's already installed. Click on open. And when you open the file, it's going to ask for some permissions, and you're going to grant it the permissions. I've already installed it before, that's why it's not asked for the permissions anymore. So click on Android, click on data, and all your data files should be shown. But if the data files did not show again, what you should do is to go over to the first method I just did. Go to your settings again. If the data files is not shown, go to the settings again, search for files, go to apps, search for files, click on the files, click on the three dotted line up and uninstall updates, and then come back to this and try this. This Files by Mac app should definitely work for you. Please don't forget to subscribe if this works for you. Okay, wait. If this video did not work for you, or if by any reasons this two method did not work for you, this is what you should do. Take a screenshot of the notification it's showing you. Maybe it's still showing access denied or any other notification like showing you that makes it not work. Take a screenshot of the notification it's showing you and head over to my YouTube app. Normally you can comment the difficulty you're facing and I'll try to fix that, but if it looks like it's more complicated and you cannot comment that, take a screenshot of the difficulty you're facing. Even if it's not this video, maybe there are some other videos or tutorials I've made that is not really working out for you and you would like me to see that. Take a screenshot of it, or even if it's a tech device, because that's what I make videos on, the Android phone, the iPhone, the tech devices like laptop, MiFi. Take a photo of it and come to my YouTube app, as you can see, and search up my name, iOS Wizard. When you open up my profile, click on visit channel. When you visit the channel, click on visit community. When you visit the community, click on what's on your mind and make a post. I made the post that every of my subscribers should be able to make a post. So if there is anything troubling you, like a tech device that is not working or the video didn't really work out for you, come here and make a post on that. You can share photos, as you can see down here. You can share your photos. Click on photo, select the screenshot and select the screenshot, any of them, and write something about it and say it's not working for you and post it. I'll be making or replying that screenshot within 8 hours and be making a video to fix that issue in 4 days time. Don't forget to share this video to your friends if this works for you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.